In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set break even and how to take partial profits. So when you get instructions like take half or take partial profits or set BE if you want to hold, I'm going to show you how it is done exactly. Yeah, so for instance, this trade has been running, the one on $82. This is my second take profit. The first take profit has already hit. If I want to take break even or partial profits, yeah, I'm going to come here. So this, I have to go and look for the entry position for this one. It's already here, 1987.74. See it here, 1987.74. This was my entry point. Yes. So this is my entry point. Now I have to go back and modify my trade. I'll click on this thing, or I'll click on the three dots and click on modify trade. So when I click on the pencil thing, I'll come here, and if I want to take partial profits, I'm going to come to this place and click on it, go back, then I can edit it. So I want to keep, like, I want to take 0.20 lots out and keep let's say 0.13 running. So I just come here and edit it 13. This is how you can take partials. Yes, so you now close at this price. So when you close, the trade is going to keep running now on a 0.13 lots and not the 0.33 lots as earlier. That is how to take partial profit. So I just come here and close. See, it closed with 0.13. Now my 0.20 is still running. As you can see here, is running on this 59. So if I want to break even now, I come here, the entry price, this thing on the left side is the entry price. Now my entry price is 1987.74. So I'm going to take my entry price. I'm going to click on the pencil button, or I click here, then go to modify position. Then I put my stop loss as my entry price. That's 1987.74 as my entry price. Now this is how to take break even, and you click on modify. Now that is how to do it. So when it gets to this point and the market stops going my way, that is, I am buying, gold is buying now, and it starts to sell, I won't go beyond this. Now see, my stop loss and my price is on the same point. This is buy 0.2 and there's an SL there. So if it now decides to go down and not hit my TP anymore, I'm still safe because, it just hit TP self. I'm still safe because it comes down and hits my entry price and doesn't escalate to my stop loss.